This is Elon University.
We gotta post this on Facebook.
We got
Watch out, there's a hawk eating.
we got a hawk eating a duck. A very dangerous place here. Trying to get in a little closer for a better angle. Hope he doesn't attack me.
I'll distract him over here.
Okay.
He's gonna attack you.
Very dangerous bird. This is his second victim this year. He first ate Pablo earlier this season, and he's on high alert. And if you can see, the feathers everywhere. This is a bird of prey, folks, and I'm trying to get close so that you can see it. Uh-oh, it's looking at me. I mean, that bird is gone. He ate the head. The head is gone. This thing is huge, folks. It's bigger than I am. I'm 6'3", and I'm about 5 feet away. Oh, it's looking at me. Oh, right at me. I'm gonna try to lure the bird away from the prey, so we can get a close view of the bird. Yeah, get it out of here. This is a large bird, folks. Huge. And it's looking right at me. Huh? If it comes at me, I kill it with my bare hands. What you doing now? He's thinking. Oh, he took another bite.
They get squirrels and everything.
I mean, he ate the head off of that thing, dude.
He's going to... I'm going to sit here and watch this.
Oh!
He don't care about you.
I bet you if I ran at him, he'd care. Watch, he eats and then looks up. Alright, that's enough for... Oh, he's taking his wings off.
Hey, you want to see a hawk eating a duck?
Oh my
Look
god.
right here, look fast.
He got another one! Jay and Glacy, huge fan of the ducks. One of his brothers is dead.
Pablo. Well, it's Pablo's cousin.
Pablo's cousin, Juan, dead.
Who's going to do it?
It's already eaten the head off, Jay. The head is gone.
Yo, you better stay over there, little man. Fuck you up.
Oh, he's taking the wing off.
What? That's another bird?
It's a duck, dude. You got another duck.
Oh, man.
Oh, he's tearing it. Oh my gosh.
Awesome.
Oh man, this is gruesome, folks. This is not right. We should help this duck.
So bad.
If it was still alive, I'd help it.
Who would want to see this? Some girl I asked to see it, she's like,